Audio Jungle.
Welcome, my name is Laila. I will present to you an interesting presentation about cloud computing. It's an important topic and we should know more information about it. Introduction. In fact, technology affects our daily significantly, so we had to mention one of its many beneficial examples. And this example is cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Let's take a closer look. First definition. Cloud computing is the use of hardware and software to deliver a service over a network, typically the internet. With cloud computing, user can access files and use applications from any device that can access the internet. Second, history. In late 20th century, floppy disk speeds for sound recording vary from less than 2 inches. In 1980, compact disc CD can be easily broken tangibly, so it takes space. In the early 1980s, flash memory, small tangible body that can be lost or not found. In 2000s, cloud computing, so cloud will solve those problems.
Okay, now we're gonna talk about the three types of service. The first one, SaaS, which is Software as a Service, is considered to be part of cloud computing. It's known by its short term SaaS. It is accessed by users throughout web browser. SaaS is much simple and more cost-effective way to run your own business. The second one we're gonna talk about is PaaS, which is Platform as a Service. In the Platform as a Service model, developers essentially rent everything they need to build an application, relying on a cloud provider for development tools, infrastructure, and operating system. This is one of the three service models of cloud computing. The last one we're gonna talk about in the types of services is IaaS, which is Infrastructure as a Service. It is the most basic category of cloud computing service that allows you to rent it infrastructure frame. While cloud infrastructure is a hardware and software components required for cloud computing, Infrastructure as a Service is a cloud model that gives organization the ability to rent those its infrastructure components. Now we're gonna talk about the types of deployment models of cloud computing. Private. Hosting all your computing infrastructure yourself and isn't shared, the security and the control level is highest while using a private network. It functions for single organizations on a private network and it is secure. Like corporate IT department. Public. Whole computing infrastructure is located on the premises of cloud computing company that offers the cloud service. It is owned by the cloud service provider like Gmail, Hyperd. Using both private and public clouds, depending on their purposes, host your most important applications on your own servers to keep them more secure, like proprietary technology. An example of cloud computing provider is Google's Gmail. Gmail users can access files and applications hosted by Google via the internet from any device. And Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, iCloud, ZipCloud, Mediafire, and Mega.
Alright guys, so it's time to speak about the advantages and the disadvantages of cloud computing. So, one of the advantages that it reduces the cost. The billing model is paid as per usage. You can pay for the amount of usage that you need only. Second advantage is flexibility. They are scalable, as we can pay only for the amount of usage or storage required. Third advantage is productivity. So it removes the need for hardware setup. You don't have to set up hardware. Fourth advantage is security. Many clouds providers offer a broad set of policies and technologies, and controls that strengthen your security posture overall. Fourth advantage is backup and restore data. Once data is stored in a cloud, it's easier to get the backup and recovery. Unlimited storage capacity and high speed is the fifth advantage. And now we go to the disadvantages. Network connection dependency. Second disadvantage is limited features. Cloud hacking, a security issue.
Industries will gain from cloud computing, such as marketing companies, IT industry, online entertainment, education, healthcare, finance and banking, telecommunication, security protection, startup businesses. In fact, cloud computing holds the potential to dramatically change the businesses that adopt it, even if the technologies are only used internally. While these possibilities are only now starting to become clear, we can get a decent sense of this now, the creation of a new generation of products and services. Cloud computing in the future. The future is bright for cloud computing. Analysis at IDC estimates that the field will evolve rapidly in the coming years, with almost 75% of data operation will be carried outside the normal data center. Moreover, 40% of organizations will deploy cloud technology, with edge computing becoming an integral part of technological setup.
How companies use cloud computing. Via Internet Service Connection, it works by enabling users access and download data on any device, such as laptop or smartphone. Which companies use cloud computing? Netflix, Xerox, Pinterest, Etsy, Apple.
We extend our thanks to you at the end of this presentation, with our best wishes for you to make the most of its content.